Wala.
Bigyan correct kayo.
Hindi na correct ka malahaw.
Bangka na kami na, paglakad kami na, paglagaw kami na, down ko na, sabihan mo na ako. So mga ano na to, sa mga 5 na to siguro.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Yay! Baby Sean! Open! Open! Open!
Oh, guess muna, guess. Guess.
Tapak-tapak ko.
Ano yoga?
Ano yung mga
Precision. Precision kasi.
salakyan?
Langga ko na si baby.
Basa M.
Hindi ba tayo lasa? Wow!
Basa ha. Basa ha.
The beauty of began the moment we open our eyes to your loving face. Ma, you are truly one of God's most extraordinary gifts.
Ring.
Among all the precious blessings we've received, you stand out as a rare and irreplaceable treasure.
Bakod.
You embody the purest forms of love and sacrifice.
Sige, go. Bumabukad na sampaw.
Paikot ang higit force.
Iya mo, hana lang. Ipa, pwede nga daan. Kaya ba sino? Wow!
Ay, may sa kasawa sa bakit ba?
Wow! Bulig si nanay.
Pinakakatay up man. Isa ka bulan, ako sobo. May dalawa.
Wow! Oh, basa.
Oh, grabe man ba? Ma, hold this message close to your heart as a reminder that you are the most amazing mom in the entire world. We are deeply grateful for your unwavering presence, your boundless love, and your endless support. You are such a vital part of our lives. No matter where life takes us, we will always be your little ones, and you will forever be our everything. Thank you for all the message. Continue. Wow!
Machanggi ka na sa bukid.
Thank you, Rocky. Dito, dalawang bukid.
Sean, grabe. Oh. Please. Langga, dira ka pala langga. Tindog pala kayo tupad ni mama.
Subo kita na, di ba? Magsubo kita na. Thank you, kids. Thank you. Ay, ka pa nalipay.
Langga.
Oo, mama.
Buligi si nanay, buligi. Butang naman ang iban mga para hindi kayawan.
Order niya din sa Macromo. Order niya din sa Macromo.
Ba, perte.
Di po, tayo naman yung bayad.
Basa.
Happy birthday, ma. Pasensya ka na, ma, ha? Amo lang na amon na nakayanan. Actually, pang 1 year nyo na.
One
Pang 1
month,
year nyo na konsumo sa bukid. Kinian nyo lang na ni Papa, ha? Daw may gapang hawid pahaw. Abi butong ano ni? Abi butong padayon basi may sako pa ka nga bugas.
Do kalawig, butangan na mang.
Wala, nagaling.
May sako pa.
Wow!
Mainom pang gasolina. Mo do kalawig ba? Sobra isa ka dupa pa. Amo kinobra ka din
Amo na kinabsinan niya, ma.
Wow! Basa!
Happy 60th birthday, ma. Kabay pa nga nalipay ka man. May God bless you always. Keep safe and healthy. We love you so much. Mama Gemma.
Daw mga ayaw pa silang joy-joy.
Balik ka sa Changi.
Pagkatapos na ng video, tapos na yun. Ibalik.
Okay, baka nanay, give din nanay, please. Please.
Oh, kita na.
Give din nanay.
Kaptek na!
Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Alright. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine. Hey, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine. Sexy ladies going crazy, put your hands in the air. We can party, get retarded, acting like we don't care. All my fellas popping bottles, put your drinks in the sky. Feel the fire. It's a beautiful life.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy
like you did before. I will tell you the truth, all you need is my love and my things to adore. To your eyes and spirit, lets you to see all the beautiful places and things that I made just for you and for me. Yeah. I need to see your hands in the air right now. Here we go. Hands up, hands up, get 'em up, get 'em up, hands up, hands up, get 'em up, get 'em up, hands up, hands up, get 'em up, get 'em up, get 'em up, hands up, get 'em up, get 'em up. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sunshine. Let's go. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sunshine. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Hey, oh yeah. Alright. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Hey, oh yeah. Alright. Sasha Lopez, Tony T, Big Alley, New York City, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life.